Hello guys, I want to introduce my new invention called Spam Slice Helper. I really love Spam very much, but I don't want to touch it. How ironic. That's why I made this, and I want to show you how to use it. You open the can and then put the helper top of it. It's gonna fit right in. Okay, and then you just follow the guide and slice it. All right, let's see. Ta-da! So cool, isn't it? And how you gonna take it out is put your knife in. Make sure that it's fully cut all the way, and then just take it out like that. Oh yes. And then use a zipper bag, put it inside, and store it in a fridge. And next time you can take as much as you want. Oh, just one last thing. When you wash it, you just rinse it with running hot water, and that's all you need.